In order to plot things digitally in this current environment we're in, as well as it makes it a bit easier to share things with the class or your group members, we are going to use the Desmos calculator. You can find this by going online and just Googling Desmos, Desmos, and then choosing the graphing calculator option, or you can also just type desmos.com/calculator. That will bring you here. Now, in the window to the right, that's where your actual graph shows up. If you move the mouse around, nothing will happen. But if you click and hold, then you should be able to kind of move around, view different parts of your graph, get things maybe lined up where you'd like them to be. You can also zoom out, you can zoom in, and we have the ability to kind of change some of our axes. Like, do I want to go by 2s in this case? Do I want to go by 5s in this case? You'll notice the graph changes now to 5, 10, 15, 20, etc. Do I want to set a certain range? Like maybe I want to go from 0 to like 20 and from 0 to 10 maybe. Okay, so you can definitely play around with this if you want to, get a specific graph or something like that. So the X now goes from 0 to 20 and the Y goes from 0 to 10. So apparently you can also get rid of them. I don't know why you'd want to do that, but I will leave this as is. We'll see where we go from there. All right, so if you just start to add points over here, you'll get a bunch of points, and then you'll be very upset and disappointed when you can't connect lines between them. So please make sure when you want to make a graph, especially for our motion graphs, you need to add item first and always add a table. If you don't see this table, you're going to waste a lot of time. I'm probably going to laugh at you. Everyone's going to get upset. I'm going to laugh even more. Your parents are going to get upset. I'm really going to start laughing. And it's not going to end well for anyone. I mean, for me, it'll be fine because I'm going to find it hysterical. But anyway, let's avoid that situation. So if you have the table up here, you're going to go ahead and you can add whatever points you want. You'll notice there is nothing here at 0, 0. But if I type 0 for the X and 0 for the Y, I get that point. I can come down here and let's do maybe like 5, 5, 5. I've got that other point. Let's do 10, 5. So let's see, let's do 15, 2, and let's do maybe 16, 2, and then let's do like 20, 0. All right, so I already can't see most of these points, so I'm going to zoom out a little bit. You can also kind of use your 2 fingers to, pinch in or pinch out. So I'll kind of get this lined up. All right, I can see everything now. It looks like it goes up, it's level, it goes down, it's a little level, and then it goes down. But I can't see the lines, so how are we going to fix that? Well, if you see this up here, we're going to call this the Inception circle because it's circles within circles. I paused there so that you can laugh if you've seen that movie, and if you haven't, I just gave you a few moments to awkwardly be like, what is this guy talking about? Anyway, it's a hysterical joke. See Inception. Cool movie. All right, so anyway, we're going to click on the Inception circle. No, that's a lie. We're going to click and hold on the Inception circle because if I just click, you'll notice everything goes away and I start to panic. I can bring it back by clicking again. Not really sure why this is a feature because it just makes all your hard work disappear. But anyway, it's there if you want to freak yourself out. More importantly, once this Inception circle is actually present, if you click and hold, then you can do cool things like change the color of the points. You can make them little circles. You can make them X's. On Valentine's Day, you can go back and forth and make them X's and O's. Now I have that song stuck in my head if you know what you're talking about. I'm going to see how many pop culture references I can fit into this video. Anyway, you probably don't know anything what I'm talking about because all these things are like 5 years old, which is ancient history to you guys. Anyway, more importantly, I can choose lines, all right? This is kind of the effective part of this. Once I have the lines in here, now I can see my graph. If it's a motion graph, I have a much better idea as to what's going on here. And then I can do hold Command, Shift, and 4, and I can kind of screenshot that. All right, now I can share that with my group members or the class. I can put it in a Google Doc or report, whatever we need. All right, but this is the easiest way. Actually, let's be honest. It's easier than drawing it, even with like pen and pencil. But this is a good method right now for what we're going to be looking at and our current needs. And it does save us a little bit of time as opposed to doing it by hand. All right, so if you have any questions on it, other than why I'm the way I am, I could probably answer them. That question, I don't think anyone has an answer to. But let me know, and I'll do the best to help you. And good luck.